Did you know that CA is considered one of the toughest courses to clear in India? With a passing percentage of less than 10%, there are presently around 3 lakh members for a country of 1.4 billion. ICAI is the first professional institute to be established in India by the Parliament. Therefore, 1st July is celebrated as CA Day in India. Hello, my name is Vivek Vishnu Gupta. Did my master's in finance. I am a gold medalist from ICAI, a CFA and a CMA. I have been in teaching profession since 1990, having taught over 20,000 students. I am providing free video lectures of SFM subject of CA and CMA final. My lectures cover full syllabus of ICAI and multitude of examples and problems based on study material and past examinations of ICAI. These days, coaching is very expensive and students also get limited views in case of digital lectures available in the market. My objective is to provide unlimited number of views for video lectures. You can watch my videos any number of times with free PDF notes. You can complete your syllabus of SFM covering about 200 videos within a time period of 3 months with study of 2 hours daily. After subject is complete, you must revise the difficult problems again and again. Before exams, you can revise your syllabus through my revision lectures within a short time of about 20 hours with important problems. Revision lectures will be available before exams. Now let us discuss how you can use my videos for preparation of SFM subject. First, you should watch video and understand basic concepts with examples. Then you can download PDF, notes and do exam problems yourself. Watch video of exam problems and cross-check your answers and identify the difficult and important points. Main objective is that you understand each and every concept thoroughly. If you do not understand the concept, watch the video again and again. You can ask your queries through comment section which will be replied within 48 hours and there is no limitation on queries. Let us discuss different chapters of study material and its marks distribution which are arranged in different playlists. Different chapters मैंने sequence में arrange किए हैं for better understanding of concepts. First of all, we have chapter 4 of study material which is security valuation. So it has topics bond valuation, return etc. इसमें 24 वीडियोस आपको मिलेंगे which carry 8 marks. Next is equity valuation, return, rights and buyback, where you get approximately 18 videos, marks 8 marks. Chapter 5 portfolio management of study material. Here you get equity topic, risk, CAPM model, project beta etc. of 8 marks with 10 videos. Next we have portfolio theories, Markovich, William Sharp, CML, SML etc. 32 videos of 8 marks. Next we have chapter 7 mutual funds which includes return and different schemes of mutual funds, approximately 16 videos with 8 marks. Mostly for each topic we have 8 marks weightage. Chapter 3 security analysis. There are 6 videos which cover technical analysis, efficient market hypothesis, fundamental analysis, 8 marks. Chapter 8 derivatives which covers 32 videos about forward, futures, options, 8 marks weightage. Chapter 9 and 10 of study material, Forex and International Finance which carries 46 videos about exchange rates, bill rates, theorems, arbitrage, hedging, etc. Weightage is 16 marks. Then we have chapter 11 interest rate risk having 9 videos which covers swaps, FRA, cap floor collars. It also carries 8 marks weightage. Then we have chapter number 12 of study material, corporate valuation, which is also called business valuation. We have around 14 videos of 8 marks. Then we have chapter number 13, merger. It has 10 videos of 8 marks. Finally, I have combined all theory topics like chapter 1 to 6 and 14 which have around 5 videos. Topics are sustainable growth rate, value at risk, securitization, startup finance, venture capital funds. Its weighted is around 24 marks. So this weighted of marks are given including optional question. Then you can see pie chart where distribution is given of marks in percentage terms. I have covered the full syllabus of SFM. Multitude of questions and examples and problems are given for practice. Do again and again difficult and important questions for practice. You need not refer to any additional books or study material. There is no need to buy any other books, notes, or any other digital media. Detailed syllabus is given in PDF notes. I have included all types of questions and problems from past examinations, RPP, NPP, etc., which are issued by ICAI from time to time. All topics or videos are updated as soon as the magazines are announced by the institute. You can study at comfort of your home, from mobile, from laptop, anywhere, anytime. Video lectures for subjects of financial reporting and SCMP are coming shortly for May and November 2022 examinations. Full syllabus will be available in a similar manner, free of cost with PDF notes. Subscribe to my channel, do press the bell icon so that you come to know about new videos which are uploaded daily. Recommend to your friends also. Hope to see you on our channel. Thank you.